In today's fast-paced world, stress, anxiety, and vertigo have become common struggles, affecting millions of people. If you find yourself feeling overwhelmed, dizzy, or anxious more often than you'd like, you're not alone. The constant hustle and mental overload can take a serious toll on your body and mind. But what if there was a quick and natural way to ease these uncomfortable feelings without relying on medication or expensive therapies? The good news is, there is a powerful yet simple solution, the Mudra. Specifically, the Mudra has been used for centuries in yoga and meditation to calm the mind, relieve stress, and even reduce symptoms of vertigo. Let's explore how this ancient technique can transform your health and well-being. The problem: stress, anxiety, and vertigo. Most of us have experienced those feelings of tension or dizziness at some point. In fact, stress and anxiety can lead to a range of physical symptoms: tight muscles, shallow breathing, and even dizziness or vertigo. These issues can disrupt your daily life, leaving you drained and frustrated. In a world that often feels chaotic, many people turn to medication or temporary fixes that only mask the symptoms, rather than addressing the root cause. What if there was a way to address these issues naturally, with just a simple hand gesture? The solution: the Mudra for a stress relief and more. The Mudra, also known as the Mudra of knowledge, is a powerful hand gesture that involves touching the tip of your index finger to the tip of your thumb, while keeping the other 3 fingers extended. This gesture is believed to stimulate the flow of energy in the body and promote mental clarity, calmness, and balance. When performed regularly, this mudra can help relieve stress. The Mudra is known to promote a sense of tranquility by calming the nervous system and reducing stress levels, ease anxiety by stimulating the energy points on your hands. This mudra can help soothe anxious thoughts and encourage a feeling of calm, reduce vertigo. It is believed to help stabilize the body's energy, which may reduce feelings of dizziness and vertigo, boost mental clarity. This mudra will also link to improved concentration and mental clarity, making it an excellent tool for clearing the mind. How to practice the Mudra. The beauty of this mudra is its simplicity. To perform it, sit in a comfortable position with your back straight. Place your hands on your knees, palms facing upward. Touch the tip of your index finger to the tip of your thumb.